All right, hello and welcome back to another episode of this passenger car restoration. The work this episode is a little bit more sporadic, but I did manage to get a lot done, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so I had to run back into the shop and grab my phone because I figured out an incredibly easy way to remove the lower windows and save the hardware without having to resort to the use of my Sawzall. Quite simply, for the record, all of this is rotten, so I'm just saving, I've saved the handful as patterns, the rest I'm taking the hardware off, and the hardware is going to be reused. But, stop bar, brake, and these lift out, and you save that hardware down there, and the middle piece is on the outside. Okay, so this might be a bit shaky, but a lot of this almost feels like archaeology because I have these beautiful stained glass pieces up here that I want to save, but because of the fire, a lot of them are broken. So I'll have to get those repaired eventually. It's just kind of a process of seeing where I can gently coax individual pieces out and not ruin them. Oop. Those two. I have patterns of this window style, but saving all this hardware as well as the hardware on the inside is going to be important for the rebuild. Just trying to not break it. Oh! Nope. Okay, that one's on the ground. Got this little piece here. I did not film a portion of me removing the stained glass from the upper clear story, just because I really wanted to focus on making sure I didn't fall off the ladder, as well as the clear story and the structure of the car is very shaky, more or less, and so I thought I should focus on that rather than trying to get video footage. However, all the stained glass, for the most part, is now out, except for this one panel, and some of the hardware panels. Right there, you can see those little notches. The hardware that makes it rotate, which we can see there, if I can zoom in for you. Not sure how I'm going to get that out, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Right, okay, so we are now under the car, and I am doing brake work. Basically, going to be removing this component. The name escapes me on what it's called. It's not the rear reservoir tank, it's not the brake cylinder. Controls the flow of air through the car and allows you to exhaust it if you need. I really should know this kind of stuff. I do this railway thing enough. Anyways, a bunch of hoses were attached for temporary moves before I got it, but I'm basically going to use a new toy I got, plus safety equipment, cut all these hoses, and then we are going to very, very carefully remove this. So here we go. Also got to have hearing protection as well. That's a lovely smell, isn't it? Oh. I mean, you can't actually smell it, but I can, and it's burning plastic. It's wonderful. Huh. That's all of them cut. These metal pieces right here, not original. I'm not going to keep them, so See how well this thing cuts. Yeah, battery's going dead and my mask is fogging up too much. Okay, got a new battery and I figured this might be a better angle for you to watch at. So, here's what I'm thinking. I've ground down all the welds, at least a little bit, tried to cut into them with a thin disc. We've got a hammer. I'm just going to hit it, see if it comes off. At $2 a disc. I'm glad there's not more metal in this car. This is starting to get expensive because I just used up another one. So, quick update. Similar to when I took down the walls originally before the car was moved, I started playing with the what was left of the internal walls, and they kind of just came down on their own. I'm okay, but I'll show you guys what just happened. Right, so basically, this section here that came down the other week, that is a bit where the bed used to be mounted on the wall right here. Same with this, that was mounted on the wall about there, and I just kind of pulled on it and it came right down. So that was easier than anticipated. I'm probably going to stick this all in that end of the car and store it for now, and we'll keep on working. Today is the day we try and get that bit of wall down, so see if it works. First off, I'm okay. Secondly, that was only a little sketchy, so hey, now all the internal walls are officially down. As promised, I have my, oh, hey, that doesn't look like it fits, does it? Anyways, I have my hard hat because I'm inside. And, ooh, without falling through the floor, we're gonna get rid of all of those clear story parts with this. I'm just gonna basically push it up and off to the side. So, here we go. Anyways, I don't normally do this kind of plug at the end of the videos, but I am trying to grow this channel and get more subscribers. So like, share, and subscribe, please. You know, share this project with your friends. Anybody you think that would be into railroading, etc. Just trying to kind of get it out there. And anyways, hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll be back again probably in a month with another one. Have a good one.